Hey, Corporal Westmore. Just wanted to touch on what the activity is for today. It's Wednesday, so it's our social emotional learning day. We're going to be working on these bullying activities. We've been in National Bullying Prevention Month. I have a flyer to hand out to you guys tomorrow to go home about our bullying assembly that's going to be happening the Wednesday after our fall break here for parent-teacher conferences. For today, a reminder that we have previously had conversations about social isolation during last week, including how people are socially isolated, how they feel, what social isolation looks like. It's a tongue twister, apparently. And why it is important to empathize, so understand the feelings of those who are socially isolated. Today, you have an assignment posted here on Google Classroom that asks you to individually write a response to the prompt. Create a list of the top 5 ways you can connect with a socially isolated peer. Describe each method. So you're going to come up with at least 5 ways to connect with socially isolated peers, along with descriptions for those methods. So this isn't like a 2-minute assignment. You have to actually take it seriously. Then you're going to get together in a small group of 3 to 4. I realize on Wednesdays we don't necessarily have full tables, so go ahead and move around if needed. Get to a group of 3 to 4 students, and at the bottom of your form you will see that there is a space to fill in your group's names, as well as to write down your 5 strategies, your top 5 strategies for your group, along with the details describing your method of how that strategy would work. So if my strategy is going to be that I'm going to call the person, I'd have to actually say, I got to get their phone number, I'm going to give them a call, how often am I going to call them, give specific details about things. That's the activity for today. I'd like everybody to turn one in, but most importantly, when you get together with a group and put those group names in, I need to see 3 to 4 names on those group projects for you to get credit for having actually worked as a group. Obviously, if you're absent today, then you're exempt from this particular assignment, but definitely for those of you who are present, this is something I need you to do. I'm sorry I couldn't be there with you to finish out this particular bullying activity. I will be back tomorrow. We have an extended core period, so we'll try to do some discussion on this if still needed for tomorrow. Thanks so much and happy Wednesday.